Don't you know how to turn off Facebook notifications on Galaxy Samsung devices? No matter it's the Galaxy S5 or S6, or any other models, the method to turn off Facebook notifications is the same. Today, we will show you two effective methods that will help you turn off getting these annoying notifications from Facebook. The first method is about turning off notifications from the phone settings, and another one is from the Facebook app. Let's start with the first method. If you want to change your mobile settings, go to the Setting application on your mobile phone. However, you will find it where all the apps are displayed. You can also find the Settings option from the Quick Notification panel. It's a round gear-like icon. Inside the Settings, scroll and find Applications. Inside the application, find and select Facebook. So after selecting the Facebook icon, you will see some options. Choose to turn off or disable the notification. There will be an option to tap, so tap there. It will turn off all the notification systems whether you are online or offline. You can also turn off any specific notifications if you want to. Now, let's see a further systematic way to turn off from Facebook. After entering into the Facebook app, look carefully. Here are three horizontal lines on the top right side. Touch here to enter into all the settings options. At the bottom of this section, see the option Settings and Privacy. Select it by tapping on it. And select Settings. Now, scroll down and find Notifications option. The same way as we have done from the device settings. Turn off one by one whatever you want to turn off. You can select the Comments section to turn off comments alerts. Then follow the same process regarding other options like tags, reminders, or friend requests, and so on. Voila! Hope you have enjoyed the video. Inviting you to stay with us for further videos. And yes, lots of tech tips are waiting for you on the Tech Fixr.